All right, welcome back, everyone. It's again Teamwitherving. Welcome to our Forex weekly forecast for the week of 24 to the 28th. So today we are doing our whole week analysis. Yesterday, Saturday, we did our pre-week Forex forecast. Please watch the video if you haven't watched that one yet. But today we're gonna be doing our Forex weekly forecast. Let's go, guys. Let's get to the point and let's see what the market is gonna do today. Remember, today it is Saturday, guys. Please, everyone, do not trade on Sunday. The market will be open today at 5 p.m. Eastern time, so please be careful. All right, so today, guys, quick reminder, I will be giving you another trade. Yesterday on our pre-week video, I gave you one of the trades that I'm going to be trading this week, and on today's Sunday, I'm going to be giving you another pair that I'm planning to trade as well. So you will see that I'm going to be in two trades. Okay, so all right, so let's get to work, guys. Let's see what Euro USD is doing. Always pay attention, guys. What is your dashboard telling you here? Always pay attention. Your TWE sniper entry dashboard is telling you the market is 1 minute, 5 minutes selling, 15 minutes buying. It's contradicting. It's very nasty. But remember, what is your multiple time frame doing with going in favor of your TWE sniper entry? Well, it's telling you here the market, it is in a buy position, right? That's very clear. Telling you, look at it, look at this there. Boom, 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 boom. So market is going in one direction. But the real question now that you need to ask yourself is, what is the real trend doing? Real time trend, guys. So your real time trend right now is giving us, what do you think this represents? It's giving us a pullback. A pullback is retracing down, which is very accurate. So all I can say, guys, is this week the market is gonna continue retracing down, retesting your 23 to your 38 Fibonacci. Why, right? Because there's some evidence here, brothers and sisters. Papin, even your sniper entry shows evidence in the past the market did reverse right from that area. So look at all these touches here, very good area. From there, market will continue as a buy, because we know here the market is still in a buy position. So we're looking in continuation of the buy, and then market from there may give us a retracement. Like I said yesterday, guys, pay attention, pay close attention what this week is gonna do. This is the last week of May. There is a lot of head and shoulders building up, so pay attention. This is another head and shoulder that is created in here. Look at here, shoulder. Look at this head. What do you think is forming here? Another shoulder is forming here. So yes, that's what I think the market is gonna do, what I just told you here. So it's not ready yet for the sell. The market here is still bullish, okay? Still bullish. So don't get it mixed up. It's still bullish. So if people are sell, good luck on you. Market is not gonna retrace that heavy. It's still in an uptrend yet. So we're gonna come back on Wednesday. We're gonna review this market, okay? All right, perfect. Let's move on to the next pair, guys. The next pair that I have for you guys is Canadian CHF. Pay close attention to your dashboard. 1 minute to 30 minutes. Every single one is selling, guys. This is another head and shoulder. Pay close attention here. Look at this one. Look at that. Boom. Look at this shoulder here. Seeing it? Hopefully you are seeing it, guys. I told you yesterday. Even I told you in my pre-week there is a lot of head and shoulder. But this is the information that we don't have on Euro USD. All this information is gonna build in on Euro USD. It hasn't happened yet, but it's coming up. Okay, so pay close attention. So this is all I can say, guys. Market in this on Canadian CHF, it is selling. Let me explain you why it's selling. Okay, the bullish is game over, no more. Now, unless if it's switch, but right now the market is selling. So this is all I can say. Okay, multiple time frame, it is giving us an indication that we are selling, right? Second question is, what is your sniper entry dashboard telling you here with in favor of your entry, right? So right now it's giving you as a sell. Look at the stairs. The stairs are already built in here. First one is built in. Second is gonna build in. Well, we don't have this information yet, but this is why I make this video, because I want to show you before and after. All I care is showing you what data that does not exist yet, so you can judge me on Wednesday. So Irving, you were right. Irving, you were wrong. But so far this month of May, guys, we have analyzed 3 weeks, and those 3 weeks have been on point. So I don't know what this week is gonna be. This is all I can see, guys. Market right now is giving us real-time trend. Is telling us that we're going in favor of what? We're going in favor of this sell position that you are seeing in here. I always grab it wrong. Let me see. Okay, I think I grabbed it right. Oh, I did it again. All right, let me do it again. Market is going in favor of this sell position here, so that's why you see that drop here. But what is my analysis for this one? So what I'm seeing here is market, yes, will retrace back, retesting your 23 Fibonacci line, because there's a lot of evidence. There's a previous shoulder is in here. So yes, market will come back to your 23, and for your 23, market will continue as a sell. So Cassie Chef is selling, guys. Unless if you do see anything else, please let me know in the comment below. Comment below if you do see anything else, because that is the only way that I will know how to help you. And remember one thing, guys, I'm not your financial advisor, just another fellow trader here trying to show you how I do my analysis and how I collect hundreds and hundreds of pips with the market. I'm not giving you any signals, nothing like that, okay? So make sure you comment if you do have any questions. So Cassie Chef still bearish for those that are going to be trading this one. All right, what about gold? Gold, guys, I've been telling you for a very long time that gold was in a buy position. Someone challenged me, said, Irving, you're wrong. Gold is gonna be in a sell position. No. Why is the answer no? Because our multiple time frame told us here that we were in a buy position, even our sniper entry. And look at this buy position, guys. Look at this gorgeous buy position going where? Going on one direction, and boom. So what is my understanding for this coming week? That is all we care, right? How I'm gonna be making money this coming week. This is not signal. Once again, guys, please do not get it twisted. This is not signal. So this is what I'm seeing here, guys. Market still bullish, like I said. So market is getting retested to this beautiful entry. So we're getting a heads up. Hey everyone, I'm getting ready for a sell position. But all I can say, I don't think the market is ready yet to drop. So market will retest back to the same entry line, which is the same where our brothers and sisters is up in. So it will retrace, it will continue as a buy, retesting your 0 Fibonacci line. And then from there, or either can spike up and recreate a long week. And then, yes, we are waiting very patiently in here, guys. We're waiting for the drop, but the drop does not exist yet. So, but I'm looking forward for this week for the market to drop. So we're gonna come back on Wednesday so you can see that drop gorgeously. It's gonna respect what I'm giving you here. So, but right now, all you know and I know is the market still uptrend. Okay, perfect, fair enough. What do you think? Think the gold is still bearish? Because it's not bearish, it's still bullish, unless if you disagree. All right, let's go ahead and analyze the next one. And guys, I'm gonna give you one, like I said, I'm gonna be giving you one of the trades that I'm gonna be trading this week here on our weekly analysis. I gave you one yesterday on our pre-week. Go ahead and watch the video. And today, Sunday, I also am gonna be giving you another week. I'm sorry, another trade that I'm gonna be planning to take tomorrow, Monday. So today is Sunday, tomorrow is Monday, today is Sunday. The market will open this evening, guys, at 5 p.m. Eastern time. So right now it's very early. Go ahead and enjoy your family, have some time off. Look, guys, this is very nasty. This trade here is very nasty. Pay attention to your dashboard. Every single one is contradicting. Hey, but I have to give you content. Look, it's not all about what looks pretty good. You need to master nasty trades too. How you need to avoid losing and blowing your account. This is very nasty, but pay close attention. The system don't lie. Look at this. Now, question is, what is your multiple time friend doing going against in favor of your sniper entry? Well, it is in a buy position. Look at the stairs. The stairs are very clear, going up. Look at what the market did. The market went up. So right now, what we are looking here, real time, multiple time frame is giving us a retracement. So a retracement. That's why it's very important here. This is a pullback. So right now, the market was giving us a what? A buy position, right? Going in favor of your what? What do you think this is it? Okay, let's say you don't know. What is this says here? Buy, right? Of your buy position. That's why the market, boom, shoot out, retested your 61 Fibonacci line. Or I can say this week, yes, the market may drop, retesting mid 61 to your 50 Fibonacci line. And from there, what do you think it's gonna do? Because the market is here, is bullish. Market will continue as a buy position, and then all the way to our 61 to our 78, and then we're gonna do another retracement. But we're gonna come back on Wednesday anyway. Well, we're gonna review USD JPY. But USD JPY, guys, still bullish. Unless if you disagree with me, it's fine. Let me know in the comment below if you are with me or not. All right, so this is a good one, guys. Please, another reminder: always check your news, please. No matter what you're gonna be doing on this market, you must check the news. Okay, always do that. Never forget. All right, the next pair that I'm gonna give you guys, it is the pair that I'm gonna be trading this week. Another one. So I gave you two. There's multiple pairs that I'm gonna be trading, but I just need to give you only two. That's it. I cannot, because I don't give signals out. I'm just telling you what I'm gonna be in it, but I'm not telling you to take any trade. No. Do your due diligence. And one quick reminder, guys, there's a lot of scammers out there. They please never respond or send any money to anyone. You're never gonna hear me saying that. You're always gonna hear me here in YouTube talking, or either you're gonna hear me on our private Telegram with our team. That's it, guys. All I do is posting videos, and that's it, and all the social media. But you're never gonna hear me asking, hey, let me manage your account. That's not gonna happen. Okay, I don't do that, and I don't want to do that. I'm okay with my account. All right, the next pair that I'm gonna be trading this week, guys, it is AUD USD. Let's go. Let's celebrate. All right, pay close attention to your dashboard. Rule number one, dashboard is telling you, Irvin, we all are selling. Beautiful. Rule number two, multiple time frame is telling you, oh, we all are selling. Perfect. Rule number three, your sniper entry is telling you, we all are selling. Gorgeous. Rule number four, what is your real-time trend doing? It is also selling. Good job. So that means everyone is going in my favor. Look at the system, guys. This is what the system comes in and said we are awesome. Look what the market is doing. It is selling. Gorgeous, guys. I didn't want to tell you. Yeah, I'm still on this trade, guys. I'm still on this trade. I didn't want to tell you that, but I really love this trade. And the other trade that I took yesterday, Saturday, watch yesterday's video, guys. I'm not gonna tell you which one it is. Go back to the video and you will see which one it is. Oh my God. All right, so you know the rules: 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So this is all I can say the market is gonna do this week, guys. Market will retrace back. We are in a sell position, but market need to take a break, retesting your 50 to your 38 Fibonacci line, which is fine. There's multiple touches in here. Look at this, evidence. So market will come back here, mid 38 to our 50 Fibonacci line. Then guess what? Boom! Market will continue as a sell. There is evidence here. Look at this one. Brothers and sisters are in this area. One could be your TP1. All right, next TP is gonna be right on this brother here on your 100 Fibonacci. So we got TP1 and TP2. I love it, guys. I really love it. I'm on this trade. I'm telling you, don't tell anyone. Pay close attention to your dashboard, guys. This is freaking awesome. Let me show you what 1 hour and 30 minutes is doing, so you can see it. All right, let's go to 1 hour. Let's go to 30 minutes first. 30 minutes telling us here on the dashboard that we are selling. All right, so let's check 30 minutes. So you can see it for yourself. Look at this 30 minutes. Boom, boom, boom. Selling. Gorgeous, isn't it? All right, let's go to 1 hour. 1 hour is also saying that we are selling. All right. Look at this, guys. Look at this, baby. Look at this bad boy. Oh my God. Look at this, man. Boom, boom, boom. I'm telling you, this is a sweet girl coming with you and giving you no drama. This is the type of perfect setup you want. Boom. Grab it by your hands and be firm and go in the same direction, and both of you creating a castle together as a family. This is the type of relationship you want with the market, guys. Things that work in your favor. That's what I call them brothers and sisters. The whole reason I call this brothers and sisters is because you want to see 4 hours a daily grabbing by their hands and say, you know what, I'm walking with you with confidence, like, you know, having a relationship. You want your girlfriend or your wife, you know, to walk in the same path that you do. If you fail, I want both of you to fail together with pride and say, you know what, we fail with pride, we're gonna get up and be stronger. But pay close attention to this one. Yesterday I said it, guys. Look, quick reminder, guys. Euro USD, KCHF is doing exactly what it's doing in here. And USD JPY, head and shoulder, guys. Look at this shoulder here. Look at this head here. Look at this shoulder here. And look what the market is doing. Market is selling. You see that? That's what you see in Euro USD. There's a lot of head and shoulder, guys. June is going to be on fire. We're not there yet. This is the last week of May. We're not there. We're not in June yet. But it's going to explode like a bomb. Boom! That's what the market is gonna do. Gosh, oh my God! I'm telling you, the market is gonna do what? It's gonna explode like a what? Wait. Ready? Boom!
Teamwitherving is on fire.
I'm telling you. That's what the market is gonna do, guys. Woo, guys, I get very excited. Please bear with my excitement. This is what I love to do. I love to come here and give you an amazing content. Look, people will be charging you for this. I'm giving you all this information on no charge. Make sure you comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, that's very important. So today, guys, we are doing our Forex weekly forecast for the week of May 24 to the 28th. So I want to give you a special shout out to David, Billy, and all of you guys that are watching here. Thank you guys for always being here. I'm very proud of this work. And remember one thing, guys, stay healthy, love your family, and respect everyone. Every life matters. God bless you guys, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States. Take care.